Qed nagħtu madwar 5,000 euro f'ikel kull ġimgħa. Dikjarazzjoni li saret minn Kim Hurst, waħda mill-persuni li tieħu ħsieb il-Lifeline Food Bank tal-Belt Valletta. Dan il-bank tal-ikel fetaħ fl-2015 u matul l-aħħar 4 snin provda kaxxi tal-ikel lil nies li qed jiffaċċjaw sitwazzjoni ta' kriżi finanzjarja fosthom familji u individwi li m'għandhomx saqaf fuq rashom. Dawn jiġu referuti minn social workers biex ikunu provduti b'ikel biex jgħixu f'diversi sitwazzjonijiet differenti. L-ikel il-Lifeline qed jiġi mogħti minn individwi, koppji, kumpaniji u skejjel fost oħrajn. Kim Hurst kelmet magħna dwar dak li tiltaqa' miegħu fejn qaltilna li jkun hemm każijiet ta' individwi li tilfu jew ħallew ix-xogħol kif ukoll sitwazzjonijiet fejn minħabba problemi mediċi persuna ma tkunx qed tlaħħaq mal-ispejjeż tal-ħajja. Isaħ qed magħna li jiltaqgħu wkoll ma' każi ta' nies li m'għandhomx saqaf fuq rashom u saħansitra oħrajn li jgħixu f'karozzi jew f'garaxxijiet. Dan il-bank tal-ikel jirċievi wkoll ħafna referenzi mid-Dipartiment tal-Onkoloġija meta xi ħadd ikun ġie ddjanjostikat bil-kanċer u ma jibqalux biżżejjed flus biex jixtri l-ikel. Nirċievu wkoll riferimenti mid-Dipartiment ta' Traffikar tal-Persuni, individwi li ġew Malta bil-weda tax-xogħol u sabu realtà differenti. Komplit tgħidilna Kim Hurst.
The problems are increasing. When we first started, we were feeding somewhere in the region of 20 families a week. Now we're feeding round about 100. The maximum we've had in recent weeks has been 110 families. When we first started, the people we're feeding were nearly all unemployed. Now we're feeding a lot more working poor. So our distribution centres are opened at times when people who are working can get to them because they're really struggling with issues like rent. The wages in Malta have not gone up, the rents have significantly.
Kim Hurst kelmet magħna wkoll dwar każijiet li ltaqat magħhom riċentament.
Last week I was talking to one of our ladies that said once she has paid her rent, she has less than €75 a week to pay for her all the other bills for the house and food, and if we did not provide her with food, her children would go hungry. Many of them are people who have a wage and they don't have a big enough wage to live. We've got a lot more older people than we ever had before, people struggling to manage on a pension and paying the increased rent prices and prices as a whole in Malta. The economy, they tell us the economy's booming, prices go up. But then it's harder for the poor to manage.
Il-Lifeline Food Bank offra ikel lil 6,443 persuna fl-ewwel 5 xhur ta' din is-sena, valur totali ta' ikel ta' 86,826 euro. Minn meta fetaħ dan il-bank tal-ikel, żied kull xahar fl-ammont ta' nies li jgħin u jekk in-numri jibqgħu jiżdiedu sal-aħħar tas-sena ser ikunu provduti b'ikel il fuq minn 16,500 persuna b'total ta' 225,000 euro f'ikel.